Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change a phone name in iOS 17. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that we need to swipe up and click on our Apple ID. And here you must click personal information. Wait some seconds. And after that click on our name. Wait again. And here you can delete your old name and enter your new name and click done. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.